Hey y'all. First of all, I miss you guys a lot, and I'm sad I won't get to see you on Monday. Um, but I wanted to start making a series of little screencasts just at first, just to help us all get organized. Um, as we know, that these first 2 weeks when the schools are closed down, it's going to be a lot of just getting set up, getting ready to shift our practices online. So the thing I'm going to talk about in this short video is pinning tabs in Chrome and what things you might want to have open just all the time from now on. So my number one tip is separate any personal internet stuff that you do from the school internet stuff. That's much more important now than it used to be. My personal thing is, so Firefox is on all of these computers. I only open personal stuff in Firefox, never in my Google Chrome. My Chrome is all district stuff. I really recommend that you make that shift if you haven't yet. If you're on a Mac, maybe Safari is your personal stuff and Chrome is your school stuff. Whatever you do, create that separation. It's going to help you out. Now, so here's the portal page. Obviously, a critical page. We're going to be doing a lot of stuff from here. What I want to show you is when you hover on a tab, if you right click on it, or with the Mac, if you command click on it, you can pin a tab. And I want you to try that out. Basically, it moves it to the left and keeps it up without a little X to accidentally close it. There's a few sites that you're going to want to have pinned, in my opinion, to make things easier. So email is going to be vital. So we could launch that. And I always have my email pinned as well. Now, the other thing, inside of Outlook, there's some important stuff. So in the app launcher right here, those of you who are familiar with Calendar, great. If you're not, you're going to have to get familiar with the Outlook calendar. That's the calendar that we're going to be using as a district. So I would also right-click on the calendar and open that in a new tab. And then just like with the email, I would right-click on that tab and I would pin it. Now what's nice about these two is when you get a new email or a new calendar invite, a little red dot pops up, so it kind of is like a little alert. So I would keep these two things running all the time. More on the calendar later, by the way. Then the other thing is Teams is going to be essential for kind of like group texts. Some video meetings and things will happen in Teams. So just like I did with the calendar, I'm going to right click on that, open it in a new tab, and then I'm also going to pin that tab. So now whatever else you do, whatever other tabs you have, these ones, the portal, the email, the calendar, and Teams are all going to be up over here. So that's just a way to start, but I'll provide some more videos here in a sec. And sorry, most of all, I really just hope that you guys are healthy and safe. And yeah, I miss y'all. But we'll see each other soon virtually.